stage 4 no and now 11 wonders tenafie Emma all blacks ekotwa me come no mo entimi anti wonders them say omo problem no e sikasam nti amomu games no shana yes shawo mo nti nations and the out of lines and na ebo ochena no Hohoe United ebe tenafie no ma twen Asante Kotoko Bobo Kono Karela coach Nurudin Amadou ane Didi Dramani amane House of Folk na ebo awona media man so atenafie atwen Brekum Chelsea Samatex ane baby ane Gold Stars ebebo Ediana ane Baseke Holy Stars Dreams ebebo Bechem United na Vision FC so no abo Young Apostles eno eye Monday 13 games ebaso in the Ghana Premier League Ayala and then kakra bi na mema atie for nem na as any ebesa for mutan
mamfa we woman sana maka Ghana Premier League na semeka so me ya kwa kushia England yenza ngofa mun komo ne mra na
me kra ya what time obi kofa odo
kalumos ya kofa mun komo ne mra
am say consider nan ke kofa mun mra
England ko bo
omusu do mini England for no yam for mun mra
say me machira majun was ade ohun dada
and am do sense en kwan
and must me say we are only thinking one direction and we have failed to think the other one, which is also football. Rich, last time, remember one example. Team Bia so qualify for Champions League. I didn't hear because of the competition they attract good players.
Sure.
In this ultimate qualify for Champions League. No, the competition attract good players. Abani team me yeah, this uncle football they are. And Argentina, Ghana and qualify to World Cup. Which competition will attract big players to a national team now? Yeah, then you see there be side no of football analysis no. But we only look at the other side of pride, ego. So Ghana for it. We are too emotional about maybe say but maybe look, Hohoe is one stubborn team. And they are one of the best teams in home games. Kotoko must be careful.
As a team's in every division one by an idiot. So far, I'm going to
Kotoko must be very, very careful. Especially Omo captain, Sofiane, Rich, Unibobo Papa. Then they have a DM, Cookie, on Tonsu boy, super number 6. Kotoko was someone and Omo Astro Tefnes. They are a very, very good team. I'll bet me no mabo game on any day. What Kotoko have shown, and they say in games are deemed to go and get something away from there. No, and a Kotoko system at least the draw be abefie because of almost squad in depth and quality of rotations are bet me aye. Rich, me assure say one of the reasons why I has a film in the FA Cup was Didi was thinking about the Tamale trip. Karela, you need your best players to be rested for that game. And Rich, it will be suicidal for Didi. Say after true life for Nashomono. Say na Karela game na all jino humbe brainty and we film the FA Cup to go and lose in Tamale. Now say what do we need? I should tell me no money in a ball. And my game will be very, very crucial to Didi. Any house of folk and I don't like that kind of pressure on us. If a quick gamer, a year away, but they must do whatever it takes to win that game because of pressure. A work club anymore. Marriage, send a debut. House is one of the best away sides. And no matter how difficult away first are, they've shown some more the character to play that games in the B. And Coach Nurudin Amadou Yenimuno. Sometimes a fear game ni bono because of the pragmatism no ayana a riane kakra because he doesn't know whether to play the game as the home team dominate us on pay games where he has to dominate and win or per game of so real no show it's on no home against the big boys now ama game na quite tricky in terms of the planning at the amanenti both Kotoko has our very, very tricky away games. Heart of Lions about my movie.
Lions. Omo bought nations and
Heart of Lions.
aye.
Nations.
Bought nations ne.
Oh, Abankasi.
Yeah.
Only I have to go and watch.
Okay.
Wow. Richie, to be a nice game to watch.
But you for
Against Mayanga. Mayanga by us a fast and 5 so ne do.
nations.
Oh, Richie, that would be a nice game. Myself, who are Tonsurin and Potem 1 hour Kumasia. I mean, 3 p.m. Brankasi. Very, very beautiful games. Nations. Any Heart of Lions and an airboy in that game to reach. Tricky games. Monday about.
Sure.
We will discuss the results now. The freestyle games in the by Kotoko away to Hohoe, House away to Karela. Games we must have our attention there.
Okay. Some of my be alliance in the Mumbrana so